Hello guys, welcome to the tech series of my channel Style Crunch. So today I'm going to show you the newest feature of WhatsApp. The WhatsApp have bought this domain wa.me, using which we have certain news about it, using which we can send message to any number without saving it and also without opening the app. So let me show you a demo. I have this number, which is this. This is some number I want to message it. So this link has redirected me on this website. Now I can simply click the message button and message the concerned person without saving its number. Guys, all the time we have to save the number to send message to anyone, and it is sometimes hectic because some numbers are useless and we need. So this is the best trick you can do. And so I'll show you one more thing. If I need to send message to any number which is saved in my mobile and I don't feel like opening the app because it hinders my privacy, so this is the number I want to send message to, which is saved in my mobile. So this will show like this. It has directly opened me the chat I have to message on. So guys, this is the feature of WhatsApp which nobody knows for now, but you know because of me. Thanks me later. Please like and subscribe my video if you like my video. Have a nice day.